Serving up
Here we go, shut up.
For people in need at the Connection. 10/11 News reporter Megan Bragg spoke with
Here we go.
this afternoon and joins us.
Here comes me, guys, and my mom.
Volunteers here at the Connection are showing their children how important it is to help out others this holiday season. This is the first time the Streeter family is handing out food this Thanksgiving.
Thought it'd be nice to give people.
What the heck?
And her father, Doug Streeter, says he brought the family here to show them what it means to
Hey,
give
I'm
back
on there
to
too.
others.
Sometimes into
They don't show me. I'm gonna kill him.
for
No,
granted,
I'm gonna kill
and
him.
I wanted them to be a part of
I'm gonna kill him.
something that was
No one
good,
cares
helping
about
out
you,
people that are
Doug.
less fortunate.
But he's not the only one.
There-
Jamie Anderson volunteered with her two sons.
There's just so much
That's
that
my
this
mom.
community does, and you know we all need to come together and help each other out.
She
And
just
so
called him
we're
Doug
just making
Streeter.
that happen for our family.
And it won't be their last. Anderson says volunteering at the shelter will now be a family tradition. A tradition that will make a difference in other people's lives.
The people that helped
What the heck?
organize this,
They
I've
didn't
been
show me interviewed.
So, you know,
Oh,
it's
I'm
been a
gonna
great
kill him.
day. Wonderful.
That's Jamie. That's
Thanksgiving,
they
and look
put
at
the
all
wrong
the
names.
Now, some people I spoke with today say the food was great and the company
Hey.
even better. Reporting in North Platte, Megan Bragg, 10/11
They didn't even show me.
Still ahead
They
on
cut out my interview.
at 10, the Thanksgiving holiday.